from the Jackson.
Nokia 7.1 Plus. The Nokia 7.1 Plus has a Full HD plus 1080 by 2280 pixel resolution with 19:9 aspect ratio. It is said to be powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Nokia 7.1 Plus Mobile has a 6.0, 15.24 cm display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels and runs on Android V8.1 Oreo operating system. The device is powered by octa-core processor paired with 4GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 3150 mAh. It also includes light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, fingerprint sensor. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Adreno 616 GPU.